Hey, so here's how to fix the Instagram comments not showing issue. If you can see that a post has comments but they're not loading, that usually means your internet connection isn't stable. So you just have to head over to your Wi-Fi settings, try switching to another Wi-Fi or mobile data, or simply restart your router. So if your internet is fine but comments are still not showing, the next thing you need to check is the Instagram app update. Just go to App Store, search for Instagram, and if an update is available like this, just update the app. And after updating, if the issue still continues, try this next step. Go to iPhone setting, from General and iPhone Storage, find Instagram and tap on Offload app. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or data, it simply clears cache and fixes loading issues. After offloading, just reinstall Instagram and check the comments again. So still not fixed? Open any browser and search for Instagram server status. And now from here, just go for any of the link. I just head over to the first link, and from here just check the current date and time. If many users are reporting issues, that means Instagram is having a server problem. So you just have to wait until it's fixed. And finally, if none of this process work for you, and if you see a message like comments on this post have been limited, that means the post owner has restricted or turned off comments. In that case, there's nothing you can do from your side. And that's it. I hope any of this process worked for you. Thanks for watching.